Hello 10th class, how are you? I hope all of you fine. Our chapter is 8, height and the distance. In the last video, we discussed about the elevation, equation functions and shoot out them. Here, now we discuss about question number 15, 16, 17 and so on. What is the question number 15? Chapter is height and distance. In this chapter, we discuss about the angle of elevation, angle of depression, etc. The angle of elevation of the top of a pillar from a point on the ground. ये pillar था, clear? From a ground with a 50 degree. Make a 50 degree angle दिखे horizontal line. This is a 15 degree. Clear? Walking 100 meters towards the tower. 15 degree towards the tower. 100 meters. कितना walking किया है? 100 degree. The angle of elevation of found to be 30 degree. After 100 meter walking, angles become 30 degree. It's 30 degree. This distance is 100 and calculate this is x. Height of the tower, let height of the tower be h. A, B, C, D. A, B, C and D. Find the height of the h. Now discuss what is the height of the h. In this question, language we let CD is the pillar of height with height h. And the angle of elevation is 50 degree point on A, point top at A, and the angle of 30 degree at point of D. As such that the angle of elevation the top of the tower at B be 30 degree. AB is 100 meter, BC is equal to x, and CD is equal to h, and DAC angle DAC is 50 degree, DBC is 30 degree. Clear? So now from right angle triangle ACB base upon perpendicular upon base, tan theta's value tan 50 degree, h base is 100 plus x, not 100, it's 100 plus x because base अपने को लेना जो पूरा complete है, not half. अपने को हाफ बेस नहीं लेना है, बेस अपने को पूरा कंप्लीट लेना है, इज 100 प्लस x. What is the value of tan 50 in this question? Tan 50 value is 2 minus 2 3. It's given. Change the 100 minus x. 100 minus plus x equals h upon 2 minus 2 3. Rationalization of 2 minus 2 3. Rationalization of 2 minus 2 3. In this rationalization, h is h, numerator and denominator is multiplied by 2 plus 2 3 and 2 plus 2 3. It's 100 plus x, h 2 plus root 3. A minus b, a plus b equal a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square. So 100 plus x equal h 2 plus root 3. 2 की पावर 4. यहाँ आ गया 3. इस इक्वल में कितना निकल के आया 1. क्लियर? Now discuss the triangle BCD. बोर्ड रफ क्वेश्चन रफ दे रहा हूं. Now discuss 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So answer is 100 plus x. 100 plus x is equal to 2h plus 2 root 3. H root 3. Root 3 is integer. H is multiplied by magnitude Now discuss triangle ACD. In triangle BCD, sorry, this triangle is BCD. Tan theta is P upon B. Theta's value is 30 degree. P value is X and D value is X. Clear? Tan 30 value is 1 upon root 3. X upon X multiply by X equal to root 3X. What is the value of X? Is root 3X. Putting this value in equation first. Put this value in equation first. Put this value in equation first. Equation second value, X value is root 3X. Put here root 3X is equal to 2X plus root 3X. Root 3X cancel out. So 100 is equal to 2X. So value of X is 100 divided by 2 is 50. What is the value of height of the tower? Is 50 meter. Clear? Simple question. In this question, examiner asks what is the value of X. Now you find that value of X is X equal to root 3 multiple 50 is 50 root 3. Is 50 root 3. Examiner asks what is the value of X. Then you tell that the value of X is 50 root 3. I hope this question is clear. Now, top of a pillar, angle of point A 50 degree. After 100 meter towards angles become 30 degree. Find the height of the tower. We easily find the tower value of T and B. Rationalization 2 minus root 3. First, पहले वाली वीडियो में बताया था यहाँ माइनस हो तो बोथ साइड प्लस से मल्टीपल कर दीजिए 2 स्क्वायर बाय रूट 3 स्क्वायर 2 प्लस 4 माइनस 3 is 1. तो इक्वेशन फर्स्ट आ गई. Similarly, B in triangle BCD the value of X is equal to root 3X. Put there root 3X is equal to X की value 50. Now examiner asks what is the value of X? What is the distance of BC? What is the distance, total distance of BC? So X is equal to root 3 plus multiply 50 is 50 root 3. I hope this question is clear. In last thing, rough कर देना बोर्ड. Examiner asks what is the actual distance he covered towards the building. It means find out the value of AC. So AC becomes of AB plus BC. AB's value is X. BC's value is 50 root 3. Now solve it. 50 is common. 2 plus root 3. 50 multiply 2 plus 1.732. 50 multiply 3.732. Multiply and answer. Clear? In one question we asked 3 questions. What is the height? What is the distance towards the building? What is the total distance covered by towards the building? So find out. Clear? Now we discuss about question number 16. Question number 16 is the shadow of a vertical tower. Its vertical tower shadow या left side या right side and right side on level ground is increased by 40 meter when the altitude of the sun changed from 60 to 30. In the starting altitude is 60 and it's become to 30. Increase by 40 meter. Increase by 40 meter. The sun of a vertical tower on the level ground is increased by 40 meter. Increased by 40 meter. When the altitude of the sun changes from the 60 to 30 degree, find the height of the tower. In this question, it's tell कि जो वैल्यू ऑफ जो एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ द सन है वो क्या हो रहा है, चेंज हो रहा है। ये कहना चाहता है कि जो सूर्य है, जो अपना सन है, वो उसका एंगल 60 से लेस होके कितना होके जा रहा है, 30 डिग्री। जिससे क्या होता है, मीनार जो आपकी टावर दिया गया है उसकी जो शेडो है वो क्या हो जाती है, 40 मीटर इंक्रीज हो जाती है। देखिए पहले आपका शेडो कितना था, इतना था, पहले आपका शेडो कितना था, इतना। जैसे ही सन्स एल्टीट्यूड इज चेंज, जो शेडो था इंक्रीज होके कितना हो गया, 40 मीटर। यहां से यहां तक का डिस्टेंस कितना आया, 40 मीटर। एंड व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस x, height of the tower is h. Now find the height of the tower. What is the height of the tower? A, B, C and D. Now you use your language. Let's say it is a tower with height of h. From its base is C, B distance from x, and again this 40 meter increase to so angle of sun becomes 30 degree. Clear है? Now discuss triangle, right angle triangle ABC. AC, tan theta, P upon D, tan theta, theta's value is 30 degree. H upon 40 plus x, 1 upon root 3x is equal to h upon 40 plus x. Cross multiply 40 plus x is equal to root 3x. Clear? In triangle ABC, tan theta, P upon B, theta's value is 60 degree, perpendicular base is x, root 3 h upon x, root 3 x is equal to h, and x value is h upon. Now this value is put here. X value is put here in equation first. बोर्ड रफ कर दे रहा हूं ऊपर से, क्लियर है? बोर्ड जो है रफ कर दे रहा हूं, देखिए plus x value is h upon root 3 is equal to root 3h. 40 root 3h minus h upon root 3. When you change this side, the signature sign of plus is becomes minus. H common inside root 3 minus 1 upon root 3. LCM of this root 3. रूट 3 को रूट 3 से मल्टीपल करने में कितना आएगा, 3। 1 की टेबल में रूट 3 टाइम्स रूट 3 को रूट 3 से 3 minus 1. आंसर इज h 2h upon root 3 is equal to 40. Cross multiply 40 is multiplied by root 3 and divided by 2 is h. Then answer is 20 root 3h. Then answer is 20 root 3h. 20 multiply 1.732 is 0, 4, 6, 14, 1, 3, 34.640. 34.640 the height of the distance. Now discuss again description. In this एक टावर था, ग्राउंड पे एलिवेशन बन रहा था सन का। वो क्या हो रहा था, उसमें क्या कहा था कि द एल्टीट्यूड ऑफ सन चेंज फ्रॉम 60 to 30. एल्टीट्यूड 60 से 30 चेंज होता है। जब मेरी शैडो पहले इतनी थी, फिर वो क्या हुआ, एल्टीट्यूड चेंज हुआ तो बढ़ेगी। जैसे ही बढ़ी हो तो जो शैडो ऑफ द टावर था वो भी क्या होगा, बढ़ेगा। एल्टीट्यूड जैसे ही चेंज होगा तो शैडो ऑफ द टावर क्या होगा, वो भी इंक्रीज होगा। तो ये इंक्रीज होके कितना हो गया, x से कितना हो गया, 40। पहले x था, बाद में होके कितना हो गया, 40। इन ट्रायंगल ACD परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस h upon 40 plus x cos multiply 40 plus x is equal to root 3 equation first. It's equation second. Tan theta BCD h upon x root 3x root 3 इधर मल्टीप्लाई में इधर भी डिवाइड में वैल्यू ऑफ x ये इधर प्लस का था इधर ये माइनस था h कॉमन आ गया रूट 3 माइनस 1 अपॉन रूट 3 इसको जैसे ही सॉर्ट आउट करने हैं तो 2h अपॉन रूट 3 इक्वल टू 14 रूट 3 मल्टीप्लाई में 2 अपॉन में तो 20 रूट 3 and root 3 value 1.732 when you multiply by 20 36 34.640 clear hai now again we showed out the addition of 17 is depend on the depression of sun elevation tha angle elevation tha now we discuss about angle of depression look at this question number 7 the angle of depression of the two sheets angle of depression किधर बनता है ऊपर की साइड two sheets from the top of a lighthouse it's a lighthouse and it's a angle of depression line horizontal line whose make the angle of depression situated at 36 meter height its height is 60 meter from sea level are 30 degree and 45 first sheet angle of depression 30 degree is 30 angle of depression becomes 45 it's 45 then it also 45 by alternate angle if two sheets are on same side जो sheet है कौन सी साइड है इस साइड same side of the lighthouse find the distance of two sheets it means we find out the value of x let's write x find out the value of x find out the value of x name of triangle ABC A B C D in ABCD in right angle square distance y लिख सकते हैं clear in right angle triangle ABC tan theta P upon B theta's value is 30 degree B value is 60 and B value is x plus y theta is value 1 upon 360 upon x plus y cross multiply x plus y is equal to 60 root 3 in right angle triangle ABD tan theta P upon B theta's value is 45 P value is 60 upon y theta's value 45 value is 1 so y value is 60 y value is 60 find out the value of distance of two sheets इसका वैल्यू फाइंड करना है मेरे को CD का वैल्यू फाइंड करना है CD कितना है अपन कितना लेके चले थे x this value y is putting on equation first put this value in equation first x plus y is equal to 60 root 3 y is equal to x plus 60 root 3 x is equal to 60 root 3 minus 60 common anyway root 3 minus 1 root 3 value is 1.732 minus 1 60 multiplied 0.732 0 12 118 19 143 1 2 3 so answer is 43.92 answer is 43.92 again देखिए ये क्या था लाइन हाउस आप लाइन हाउस के ऊपर खड़े थे फर्स्ट सीट जो सी पे है सी पे रखा हुआ है वहां पे आप एंगल ऑफ डिफरेंस ये 30 का वैल्यू कितना हो गया 30 बाय एंगल अल्टरनेट आफ्टर चेंज सम टाइम seconds shift comes angle of deviation is 45 then this angle is 45 by alternate angle in right angle triangle ABC tan theta P upon B 60 plus x y cross multiply tan theta P upon B 60 upon y square 60 degree y value putting here, so what is the value of h is the 43.9. Clear? Now in this picture we showed out more pictures. Look at this. He asked, what is the value of BC? How many distance? How many distance? First seat towards the building. जो फर्स्ट सीट था उसने बिल्डिंग की तरफ कितना डिस्टेंस कवर किया, तो आप क्या लिखेंगे? x plus 5. X value is 43.92. What is the value of y? Value of y is 60 degree. Then 92.3 tenths. So what is the answer of BC? Is 103.9. It's clear? I hope this class is clear. In this class we discuss about angle of elevation, angle of depressions, angle of elevations, diagram. In this chapter, first one important thing is मैप डायग्राम. जितना अच्छा आपका डायग्राम होगा उतना ही जल्दी आपको क्वेश्चन सॉर्ट आउट होगा. जितना जल्दी आपका क्वेश्चन सॉर्ट आउट होगा उतना ही जल्दी आपको आपका ये डायग्राम्स है वो क्लियर हो पाएगा. क्लियर है? नाउ इन second video, next video we discuss about 17 question completed, 18, 19, 20 and so on. So do this homework in your fair notebook. Firstly go through the rough notebook, then go through the fair notebook. Clear? And draw the diagram on fair notebook. Pencil. Don't use black pen. Use pencil. In the examination hall, exam notebook, you use your pencil for draw a diagram. Clear?